Hi guys, Lee here. On this video we're going to talk about one of my pet hates. When I see someone with a chart that is scaled like this, it drives me crazy because you're missing out on so many profits. Now what you need to do, you need to scale your charts so you can see a good proportion of the past, because it's going to provide us with plenty of opportunities. Having it like this, I've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 or so candlesticks or days looking back. It's not really telling me that much. Now this is the pound versus the US dollar. Now if I started to scale it up a bit better so I can see more of the past, it starts to tell me other things. I can see a bit of a picture here. I can now start to see if we have major resistance or even support. In this case, we've got resistance, a trend line resistance. Now, when you're drawing trend lines or support, it needs to have 2 reference points. And I'm going to start from here, back in July. I'm going to cross the rooftops here to this candlestick high, and it projects into the future here. Now, over the last several days, me and my students have been looking to short this because we've had divergence, but that's for another video. And we've got a major trend line here. Trend line resistance. Resisting price going up any further. So how would I trade this? Well, it's a resistance area, so price could come down, which it has done 100 points. I want to go down to my smaller time frame. And now I'm looking for a major red signal here on the ProTrain system and our momentum indicator here, all telling us to get ready for the short. You see, this is that trend line here being projected onto the 4-hour time frame. It could be projected onto the 5-minute chart, but the trend line was put into place on the bigger time frame that was scaled properly, where I could see the past and where I could start that trend line from that first reference point. Trend lines and support areas, they need one reference point, then they need another one to make up that trend line. Now this has dropped 100 points today. So what does 100 points mean? Well, at £10 a point, you've just made £1,000 by just knowing that that trend line was there and you could take advantage of it. At £5 a point, you've done an easy trade and made £500 profit in a spread betting account. Funded accounts, well, you just multiply that 100 points by your position size, okay? So please guys, scale your charts. Make your chart scale beautifully so you can see the past, you can see the picture, you can see support and resistance, because it really will help you with your trading. Hope it helps guys. Speak soon. Take care.